Wow, every dinner comes with homemade bread, a salad, and any side I want?
Yep, Harold Seltzer Steakhouse does that. This month only, our amazing USDA Choice 20-ounce Porterhouse, only $29.99.
Quality, value, and great food. That's Harold Seltzer Steakhouse.
A prime rib dinner with all the homemade fixins, starting at $19.99?
Yep, Harold Seltzer Steakhouse does that. And on Mondays and Thursdays, our prime rib dinner is specially priced at just $19.99. The best prime rib anywhere at any price. That's Harold Seltzer Steakhouse.